if you want to master trading, first you needed to master how the candles are being made. If you understand how candles are being made, then it will be easier for you even to analyze the forex market. And from this particular video, I'm just going to show you exactly how the candle are being formed, and I'm just going to show you the four important prices that are being contained within every single candlestick. So without wasting my time, and those what I'm talking about, those prices are the high, the close, the open, and the low. This does not been mentioned randomly. These are prices that are being arranged, so they are in the form of OHLC. It means all represent the opening price, alright, and the H represent the highest price, where the L represent the lowest price, and the C represent the closing price of that particular candle. So you can find all of these prices in both bullish candles and in bearish candles, guys. So the difference between the bullish candle and the bearish candle is that the closing price of the bullish candle is above the opening price of the bullish candle, whereas the opening price of the bearish candle is above the closing price of the same candle. That single difference is what makes the candle to be called either a bullish candle or a bearish candle. So in a simple definition, if the candle's opening price is below its closing price, then that is called a bullish candle. And if the opening price of the candle is above the closing price of the same candle, then that candle we call a bearish candle. That is simple, because bears open the price and then push the price down, and it closes down the open price. That is called a bearish candle. And for the bullish candle, bulls open the price below down, and they manage to push the price to the upside. So that makes the candle to be called a bullish candle, because the bulls were dominating in the market. And here there are a few things in common between the bullish and the bearish candle, and you need to also to understand them very well. There are candles body, upper wick and the lower wick. If you look closely to every single candle, if you open your chart very well, and I will take you later on in this particular video, if you look to every single candle, you will see that there are almost three parts. There is the lines either to the down or to the bottom of every candle, or to the top of every candle. Those lines are what we call wicks, and the entire body is what we call, or the entire section is what we call it, the candle's body. As you can see, the body of the bearish candle is in a red color, whereas the candle's body of the bullish candle is in green color. And also there is also one important point here that you need to put into your head. That is, the term candle and the candlestick have the same meaning. The difference is that the words themselves, but they are being used interchangeably in the forex market. So you should not be worried about it. And the last one is the low and the highest prices of every single candle. The candle, does not form. Maybe if it open here, it goes down to this level and it closes. No, the candle does not form that way. Once the candle open like here, it's gonna go up to the upside, and if it achieve the highest price, it's gonna start retracing back, and after retracing back, before it even crosses back, the price gonna retrace back and it crosses here. So the trail that shows that the price went to that particular level is only showed by the wick. That's why candles with big wicks, it means there were high retracement of that particular candle. So, and I will take you through the examples, and you'll see by yourself. So let me now take you quickly to the examples, so as you can see by yourself. As you can see, from this particular chart here, these green candles are what we call a bullish candles, and the red candles are what we call the bearish candle. And there is only one principle that you need just to put into your head. The bullish candles opening price is lower than its closing price, whereas in the bearish candles the opening price is always above its closing price, and that is the principle of the bullish and the bearish candles, guys. Let us guys come back here so as guys you can see what I am talking about. So it means the opening price, which is here, the opening price which is here of the bullish candle is always below its closing price, which is here, and the opening price of the bearish candle is always above its closing price. If the opening price only is at the bottom of its closing price, then that is what we call a bullish candle, and the bearish candle is the vice versa of the bearish of the bullish candle. And other things are like upper wick, body candle, lower wick, high, lower price, higher price. To both bullish candles and bearish candles are the same, but what the difference is the color and the opening and the closing price. Next time, all the time when you go into an ride in the market, what guys you need to look at it is at the opening price and the closing price of every single candle, and to identify whether the candle is a bullish one or the bearish one by looking by your eyes. You only guys need to look at their colors. If you look at the colors of the candles, then you'll be able to identify that this candle is a bullish one or the bearish one. And if you identify that it is a bullish or the bearish, you'll be able to spot the closing price, the opening price, the lowest price and the highest price that has been made by that particular candle. And this is guys will be the homework, so you'll go and do it guys by your own time. This does apply to every time frame. It does not matter it is 5 minutes time frame, 15 seconds, it does not matter. But every candle that you see that represents the price, it have got 4 prices: the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closing price. And if you'll be able to identify those prices, then you'll be able to read and understand what information have been contained in every single candle. And guys, if you have understood this lesson, make sure guys you leave the thumbs up in this particular video. And if guys you have found this video very valuable and you guys you don't want to miss it from other videos, guys, make sure you subscribe so as guys you keep growing every single day, because in my next video guys I'm just going to show you exactly what every single candle means.